The U.S. Food and Drug Administration applies strict standards to the conditions under which pharmaceuticals are made. Sometimes a plant will fall out of compliance with these regulations, which can cause a short supply of a particular drug. Any drug shortage can have broad-reaching effects throughout the industry, as often there are legions of patients who rely on a steady supply of that medicine. What may seem like a local issue can actually affect the pharmaceutical trade worldwide. Often the pharmaceutical company experiencing the compliance issues must reach out for help in reestablishing the flow of their drugs. Many of them turn to Regulatory Compliance Associates.
Regulatory Compliance Associates helps life science companies facing quality, regulatory, or technical challenges. With over 500 seasoned associates, we have been tested in the front lines and we're ready. Whether it's an FDA warning letter, a remediation plan, accelerating a new product, or averting a crisis like a drug shortage, you can count on us for a solution that fits your organizational size and budget.
To deal with critical shortages, RCA brings a range of risk-based strategies, implementing industry tools such as those from the Parenteral Drug Association, with guidance from the FDA.
When drug manufacturers are facing potential issues that could result in drug shortages, RCA can go in and assess to determine the root cause of the issue. And then we would develop and implement corrective actions in the areas of manufacturing, quality control, and supply chain, which are, in fact, the most common causes of drug shortages. Some of these corrective actions could be updating aging equipment and helping with post-approval change notification to regulatory authorities.
Few industries are changing faster than the pharmaceutical sector. Many of today's best-selling products were not even thought of a few years ago. This means that the regulatory landscape is also changing rapidly. For companies unsure of new regulations and ever-changing trends, RCA helps them develop and implement compliance policies and understand their compliance path.
We help the industry understand the changing regulations. This is especially true for drug compounders and combination drug and device makers, an area where much regulation has been added in recent times. When the landscape is not clear, RCA is here to help provide clarity.
RCA also provides third-party oversight for clients facing FDA enforcement.
Well, we act as third-party oversight to help companies stay in compliance. For some of our clients facing severe regulatory enforcement, this means they can avoid shutdown and still continue to operate under our oversight while they remediate their particular situation.
Some manufacturers need guidance through the entire process of releasing a new product. Companies can partner with RCA for the entire drug or device lifecycle, from research and development through commercialization, including international expansion. RCA helps life science companies get into the market, stay there, and expand their markets.
RCA develops strategies and policies for compliance and helps companies implement them. We provide a comprehensive assessment of their current good manufacturing practices and offer remediation and re-engineering when needed.
For pharmaceutical companies, data integrity questions arise when batch records indicate there's something outside the standard.
RCA is able to identify data integrity issues, provide forensic data analysis, and third-party oversight for our clients. We also provide remediation and assist in developing long-term sustainable solutions. In addition, we can provide proactive training and education that will minimize data integrity issues going forward.
In the medical device and pharmaceutical world, R&D and compliance cost money. RCA can help shorten R&D timeframes, develop innovative regulatory pathways for faster approvals, and implement unique compliance strategies to minimize company cost. This helps life science companies in the quest to provide new life-saving drugs and devices. It's something the industry, regulators, and consumers all want: new and better medicines for healthier lives.